Welcome to the ultimate customization experience. At our apparel and promotional printing company, we're thrilled to take you on a journey to create the perfect customized products. Here's a step-by-step guide to craft your unique items. Step 1. Discover your ideal product. Begin by navigating through our main menu to discover a wide array of products that cater to your needs. Once you've spotted the one you desire, click on it to access the dedicated product page. Step 2. Unleash your imagination. Hit the Customize It button to kickstart your creative journey. Step 3. Splash some color. Select your desired shirt color to set the stage for your masterpiece. Step 4. Upload your vision time to bring your vision to life. Click on Upload File to introduce your chosen image to our customization tool. If you wish to remove any pesky white backgrounds, just check the Yes box. Step 5. A splash of color harmony. Now, let's get specific. Choose all the colors from our palette that closely match the hues in your image. The more accurate you are, the better we can adjust the pricing. Step 6. Keep the momentum hit. Continue to proceed to the next exciting phase. Step 7. Your design, your way. Place your logo exactly where you envision it on the shirt. Feeling adventurous? Add more text or even create a QR code. It's all at your fingertips. Any additional colors in your added texts will seamlessly integrate into the customizer, ensuring your design flows effortlessly. Step 8. Explore every angle. Don't forget to explore other sides of the shirt to add more artistic flair. Your canvas is vast, and your creativity knows no bounds. Step 9. Special touches and queries. Have any unique requests or questions about your design? Click Add Note to communicate your ideas, and our dedicated team will ensure they're addressed with care. Additionally, you can choose Select Product within the customizer to find another product option. Step 10. Fill up your cart. Once your design is perfect, hit Add to Cart. Specify the quantity of each size you desire and watch as the price adjusts to your preferences. Step 11. Lock it in or get a quote ready to seal the deal. Click Add to Cart to proceed to checkout. If you prefer, you can request a quote for your customized order. Step 12. Your creation is on its way. With a click of a button, your personalized product is on its way to becoming a reality. Your unique creation will soon be in your hands, ready to make a statement. Post-order assurance. But our commitment doesn't end there. After you place your order, expect a follow-up from us to confirm all the details or make any necessary adjustments. For those opting for embroidery, our art team might need a stitch count to provide precise final pricing. Keep in mind that artwork modifications may influence the variable price. We're here to ensure your vision becomes a reality. If you need further assistance, message us or just give us a call. We are here to help. Happy designing!